Hello to all my friends from Cook, Plant and Decor. Welcome back to my channel. I am so ready to spend some time with you in the kitchen. But before we go ahead and start to cook, I want to have a little conversation with you because today we are going to cook a whole chicken. And yes, it takes some time to cut the whole chicken and it's kind of intimidated. You don't have to do it every day. I don't do it all the time. I just during the weekend sometimes I want to see my family surrounding me and cutting the chicken at that time. So I just want to give you some kind of inspiration of doing that because you can save some money doing it. I hope that you also take this advice and buy whole chicken sometimes. Now I just want to say thank you for listening. Let's go to the kitchen. See you in a minute. And here is the guy. Let me get it ready to show you how I cut it down and cook our dinner for tonight. I wash it well, let it dry, and now I will remove any extra fat that my bird have. I'm going to start cutting the quarters. I trim the skin here and there on both thighs. Pop the joints on both sides, or you can do it one at a time. Cut through it, and you have the first chicken quarter. For our stew today, we're gonna separate the thigh and the chicken leg. For the wings, I cut the tips and I save it for my stock. I'm cutting the skin around the joints and I just cut through it and I have my wings. Now we're cutting the back of the chicken and we will need the scissors. Keep the chicken back in a refrigerator so you can use it when you're making chicken stock or something like that. It will help you. We are cutting the breast exactly like the middle through the bone and we have two beautiful pieces. Now we're gonna cut all the pieces for a stew. So separating all of them, you see, smaller pieces to make our stew. Today I'm starting the stewed chicken in a different way. Usually I marinate my chicken, but today we are starting from the meat. We are placing the chicken in this hot oil in a non-stick pan and we're going to start to saute our chicken without seasoning until it gets that beautiful golden color and will smell amazing that you already want to eat it. My first seasoning is this complete seasoning from BADIA, 1 tablespoon. I'm using 4 to 5 minced garlic cloves. 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, any chicken seasoning that you have on hand or the one that you prefer. I am using 1 teaspoon of saffron seasoning for more color. One teaspoon of ground cumin. Now we're going to keep sauteing our meat on low heat. So make sure that all the meat have some of the seasoning. Now I'm going to add my onion, half onion. It can be yellow, white, red, any kind of onion that you like. I am also adding 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. It can be tomato sauce too, whatever is easier for you. Keep stirring. I'm adding my potatoes now. The cubes of potatoes. You can add 2, 3, small, middle, depending on the amount of potatoes that you like to see in your meat. This is the amount I like to see, no more, no less. The chicken is almost cooked, so I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken stock I'm gonna keep it cooking. In the meantime, I will get one of my last ingredients. I just added at the end. That will be some cayenne peppers and my culantro. A beautiful flavor to the stewed chicken. Okay, after my stewed chicken been cooking for about 15 minutes in low heat, I'm checking if the potato is cooked through and also the chicken. And of course also the amount of liquid. Is this too much or too little? And I'm gonna taste also the salt. I think everything is looking good, smell amazing. And you, what do you think? You like this recipe? You would like to make it at home? Let me know in your comments. My family will eat it with fried plantain and white rice. No, I don't gonna tell you this recipe today because I think I did it already. So just go back and watch my video how to make tostones or fried plantain. I taste the salt and need a little bit. Also guys, what's your opinion of buying a whole chicken? Saving money. At the end of the day, everybody's looking for that, eh? Okay, my stewed chicken is almost ready. I'm just going to add the last touches. That will be sweet peas, culantro leaves, green onions, olives. I know you can hear my son in the background. I hope that you don't mind. Okay, after being simmered for 5 minutes, my stewed chicken is ready for serving. And my stewed chicken is served, guys. And look at this creamy sauce that creates flavorful, delicious. I can't wait to eat. So I had to say bye-bye. And I see you in the next video. And remember, cook plants and decor and be happy.